Let's set up the stream. That is what we're doing now. This is my stream chat. It's weird because I have to set the background to like black, and that doesn't work. So I'm like, important. And then it works. And then I have it here so I can see the chat. And we got TikTok chat here. Yo, Deckard, my first viewer. Thanks for joining. We also could have the chat like this. Actually, I might like that. It's more reliable. Maya, yo, welcome. Welcome everyone. Still setting up. So let me check if I got any more Kick followers. 2 days ago I did my first Kick stream, and you know I'm trying hard to grind it out. Yeah, 3 followers. I think that was Kurigami. They said that they would be a follower, so they said that they. Wait, it's looking good. Looking good, looking good. Wait, oh, it only goes to 720p? What's up with that? Is that? Wait a second. That? Wait a second. That? Is YouTube like that? Am I limited to 720p? Wait a second. That? Is YouTube like 1080p? Okay, maybe it's just a Kick thing. All right. So the first thing that I was gonna check out today is Forge AI. Shout out to Mini Donut for suggesting that one. Can't remember what it does. I feel like it's like a website building one or something. Let's see. Is this it? Probably. The Forge AI. What were the other options? Forge AI. It's probably the same thing, right? No, this is different, but they don't have many followers. It probably is the Forge AI, right? I don't have too many followers either. Yeah, this is probably it. Wait, okay, what about the website Forge.ai? What's that? Fiscal note. Okay, it's definitely not this. All right, it's probably this. Build AI-powered applications without writing a single line of code. The Forge empowers everyone to easily create and monetize powerful AI applications, whether you want to build them for personal use, share with your friends, or even monetize them on our marketplace. Oh, cool. So they have a marketplace with pre-made AI things. Simon Rizzo says they did Prompt Forge. What's Prompt Forge? Is that something else? Prompt Forge. Prompt Forge AI. It is something else. Your last stop if you're looking for a prompt engineering tool. Forget Google Docs and Playground tools. Forge your prompts like a pro. Write a prompt. Adjust the settings. Okay. Let's have a look at this. It's open source, is it? Or is it something you've made, Simone? Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, Simon or Simone. Context. Okay, cool. So this helps you write prompts, it seems. Okay. Yeah, so we're looking at Forge.ai, and they have a bunch of applications that have been forged together with their platform, and you can monetize them by selling them on their marketplace, which is very cool. You can generate SEO content for keywords for free, enter relevant details to receive detailed DMs notes. Is that for Dungeons and Dragons, maybe? Generate short stories. What are the other free ones? Tournament Maker, that's cool. Ideas for TikTok content. All right, so if I click this, what happens? Oh, sweet. It's completely free. I didn't even have to sign up. It is in Spanish, but that's fine. Category bromas, which I think is like comedy. And I guess you can't really give it much else. You just press run app. Let's see what happens. Only takes 30 seconds. And then after that, we'll look at creating our own one maybe. So they have like a kind of drag and drop interface for creating AI apps. You can build, share, and monetize. Even host an API for you, it seems. It's pretty cool. Get embedded into Slack or Notion. Try their example apps. Ooh, I want to try the recipe maker one. Let's see what this one was. Oh, cool. So these are some ideas for TikToks, but it's in Spanish, so I won't bother trying to read that. But yeah, recipe maker. Let's see. I have cucumbers. What else do I have? Philadelphia, is that how you spell it? Cheese. Philadelphia cheese. What else? Salt. um, what else we gotta go with this? Cherry tomatoes. All right, let's see. This is very basic, but we'll see what it does. It's cool how it's free. Yo, Nick. Good to see you back. Thank you so much for the gifts on last stream. Oh wow, it even makes an image. What? Dude, look, it's the cucumbers, the cheese, and the tomatoes. Cucumber and cream cheese stuffed cherry tomatoes. Dude, it'd be so hard to stuff a cherry tomato. They're so small. But that's cool. It made a full recipe. Yes, Nick, thanks to your suggestion, we're doing Forge AI. Have you used it? Should we try build something? Should we try build something? I kind of like can't be bothered. But let's have a look at. Okay, so they made their recipe maker like this. First, they make the ingredients, which is a text input, and then they link it to a text prompt, which takes the input and prompts it. That's pretty cool. Okay, this has definitely inspired me to try. I'm gonna sign up. Oh, you gotta what? What? All right, hold on. I'm gonna do this off screen. It's a weird way to sign up. Just takes in a one-time password in plain text. Okay, we've signed up. Welcome to Forge. New project. Let's start from scratch. Name your project. What should we call it? I want to do my own TikTok content idea generator. All right, so it'll be pretty simple. Look, we just drag a text input, end user text input. We'll call it niche or topic, and then we'll link it to a text prompt, just like we saw in the demo, and we'll be like, write 10 TikTok video ideas around the topic. Boom. All right, so if we put our topic artificial intelligence and we go run prompt, does that work like that? Yeah. Showcase how AI can detect emotions by filming different facial expressions and have AI analyze them. All right, let's make this prompt a bit more sophisticated. Include a hook at the start. Oh shit, why did it remove it? Redo, undo. Include a catchy hook. Catchy hook? Attention grabbing hook. Alright, let's try run that again. Yo, thanks for the roses, Nick. Oh, I'm mad with the finger. Was that from yesterday or from today? I can't tell. Well, thank you anyway. Cool, so it's got the hooks and the technology. That was so easy to make. Alright, let's publish this. Deploy v1. Description of deployment. Oh, we'll just leave that blank. Imagine if I monetize this and people actually pay for this. Something so simple. I made it in like less than, I don't know, how long was that? Like less than 5 minutes, I think. View app. Wow, this is sick. All right, TikTok. What's a niche or topic? Shoelaces. As well as you can use this in your code. Yeah, I saw you can make it API endpoint as well. But it's cool that it just generates a whole web app for you. Results are ready. Where are the results? Oh, do I have to show it somewhere? I don't know how to show the results. Oh, output, text output, of course. Text output, gotta link this. Oh my god. To that. Boom. Okay, deploy v2. Text output. You have to add a text output, yes. Thanks, Nick. Which app, what app have you built, Nick? Alright, app has been deployed. Let's try that again. I want some TikTok content ideas for shoelaces. What kind of videos can I make with shoelaces? Let's see. Forget tying knots. Watch me reveal the ultimate shoelace hack that will change your life. These are just hooks though. Node name. All right, let's edit this to be a bit better. Okay. Include an attention grabbing hook and a short description of the video. And then we'll name this text output result video ideas. Deploy v3. More specific prompt. Deploy. This is really cool. I really like this. This is a very simple way to create AI apps really fast. You don't even need to know how to code. It's actually really awesome. Thanks for just suggesting this, Nick. Okay. All right, we did shoelaces. Let's do something different. Mario Kart. It's running. Let's see. Want to know how to dominate your Mario Kart races? Check this mind-blowing trick. That's a great hook. This video reveals a secret shortcut on an advanced maneuver that gives players an instant advantage in Mario Kart. Wow. This is actually a very useful app. I'd probably use this. So if I wanted to make TikTok videos about this, so I could be like Forge AI, a website that you can create AI apps without code in less than 5 minutes. Let's see what it comes up with. I want some hooks for this TikTok video I'm going to create around this. Yo, Mark Fabian shared the live. Thank you so much. TikTok's asking me to encourage more viewers to share, but only share if you feel that you want to. Try add an image to the text prompt as well. That's a great idea, Nick. Hey TikTok fam, did you know you could create AI apps without coding skills? Keep watching to unlock the secrets of Forge AI. Imagine having the power to make your smartphone smarter using AI. Want to predict the future with Forge AI? You can become a digital fortune teller. All right, let's try add an image. That's a great idea. Yo, thanks for sharing the live, Nick. Appreciate you. All right, we just go back, I think. Yep. And how can we make an image for each one? What's also cool is like this isn't costing me any money. Like, how do they afford this? Image prompt. All right, let's try hook up an image prompt to this. I mean, in this case, we don't need an image prompt, but I want to see how I can like put this on the marketplace. That's what I want to know. How do we do that? I want people to pay me for this. Save, preview app, cancel, settings. Here, live in marketplace. Whoa, you gotta do all of this stuff to get it live? Is that right? Requires successful test. All right, banner image. Oh man. Okay, so we need a banner image, marketplace image, description, subtitle, categories, text example, demo example, Stripe connected, sales description, and then it gets monetized. Okay. That's probably too boring for me to do on this stream, but it seems pretty simple to be able to do. You connect the image prompt to the first input and then make the image prompt. All right, let's just do the image prompt just for fun. Image prompt, connect it to the first input. And then image output from the image prompt. What could we do? Like thumbnail for a video about that. Let's see what that would look like if I run it. Did I run it? Yes. And then we'll do one last test. Very cool. That looks cool. It's really awesome how it's free as well. I wonder how it will order the image. Like the two outputs, how do you specify which one goes first? Niche or topic, Fortnite. Is that how you spell Fortnite? I think so. Yo, thanks for the shares, Nick. And all the roses. Oh, it puts them side by side. That's cool. Unbelievable Fortnite trick shots that will blow your mind. This is a very cool. Yeah, so in under 20 minutes, I've created a TikTok content idea generator web app using Forge AI. That's very awesome. Very awesome. And it's still in beta. Cool. So you link up your Stripe and you can get paid for making your app. I feel like, I don't know. How many people do you reckon actually pay for these? I feel like it won't be much. There's not many. The fact that there's not many means like I have a higher chance for people to buy mine. But yeah, I don't know. Who knows? You made the sticker generator with Barack Obama? Where is that? Hold on. Oh, why did I bookmark this? Sticker. This one? Oh shit. So Nick made this. What sticker do you want? I want pink shoes in the style lat color. I don't know if that's a style, but we'll see. Hacksmith Gaming says, can you make a video of you doing it all over? Yes, I do make TikTok videos from all my streams. So I'll definitely be making one from Forge AI for sure. But it takes me a little while, so it probably won't come out for another like 2 days or so. That's cool. Those are pink shoes. I really like how it's free. Like it's kind of hard to even find a image generator for free. I don't know. Excellent. All right, that was Forge AI, guys. You can check it out at theforgeai.com. It's completely free from what I've tested. It's really awesome. I'm really happy that you suggested that, Nick. Thank you. What was I going to check next? Super AGI. Let's check out Super AGI. I feel like I wanted to look at this a while ago, so I wasn't sure what it is. Build, manage, and run autonomous agents. An open source autonomous AI framework to enable you to develop and deploy useful agents quickly and reliably. They have a Super AGI cloud. What can you do? You can run agents concurrently, extend the capability, spawn and deploy. Other features, blank. Why is it blank? Why is this a coffee? Is this a buy me a coffee thing? It is. That's pretty cool. I've never seen this buy me a coffee kind of what would you call this button? They have a blog. I want to see some demos. Oh, here, let's look at this. I recently used AI to create an image resizing web app in just 1 minute without writing a single line of code using Super AGI. All you need to do is mention your goals and instructions and select the tools. Let's have a look at this. Give me 1 second. I'll switch this over to this view and I can do this. Okay. Why isn't my video here? The just want to make sure that my video is also here. There we go. Whoa. Okay. Let's see. Is that HD? Oh. Oh, that's just the end. You're a Super AGI, an AI assistant. Solves problems, goals, create an image resizer web app in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that allows users to resize images. I feel like these, yeah, look, it uses GPT-4, and I don't have access to GPT-4, so all of my code writing things are like not very good. But pretty cool. All successfully completed, and wow, that actually looks awesome. Should we try to get Super AGI to make us the multiplayer snake? I feel like I want to do that. Can we run this in the cloud? Let's see. How does this work? Continue with GitHub. I think I have to do 2FA. No? Okay, good. I don't. Do I? Did it log me in? No? Yes. Okay, agents, create agent. Make this bigger for you guys. Oh, let's have a look at that marketplace. What do they have? Newsletter, GitHub Assistant, Supercoder. Okay. Install Supercoder. And then, wait, new agent, Supercoder. Name, Snake Game Builder. build snake game. All right, we'll just do a single player snake game. Goals. Write a simple browser-based snake game. Use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build this. Write specifications for the code. Write the code. Write test cases. Model GPT-4. Does that work? That would be awesome if it lets me use GPT-4 for free. Okay. If you're unsure, ask. Yes. Okay. How do we run this? Create and run. Wow, it even uses Pinecone for long-term memory. Max iterations 25. Permission type God mode. Or you can have it ask before it does everything. Alright, let's just try this God mode. Oh, I need an open API key, of course. Alright, give me 1 second while I get that. Sick, I have to do this off screen again. I updated that and then what? Oh, I gotta build it again. Ah. Very simple browser-based Python game. No. Snake. Or Pong. Let's say Pong. I think Pong is easier. Is it? I don't know. Build simple browser-based Pong game. I have to use GPT 3.5, unfortunately. Yeah, let's run. Okay, it's thinking. Whoa, okay. Thought, since I've completed the task of writing the specification, it did. Is this the specs? Where's the specs? Tool. Coding tool. The next logical step will be to use the coding tool to write code. Use the coding tool to write the code. No criticism. Coding tool. Okay. So it has these tools it has access to. It's cool. So I can leave this running and check the tools. Coding tool, email tool, calendar tool, Jira tool, Slack tool, web scraper tool. Very cool. Coding tool returned error list index out of range, yet it still thinks it's finished the task of writing the code. Oh, that's no good. I wonder if it's because I'll give it the benefit of the doubt and say these things aren't working great because I don't have GPT-4 access. But I don't know if that's the case. Yo, Miles, what's up? We're trying Super AGI, which has a cloud-based interface for you to run concurrent, kind of like auto GPT agents, autonomous agents. I'm having some issues with it. I gave an error. I might just try run this again. Can I just run it again? Yeah, I can. And I have a new one running. Or is it the same one? Okay, it's the same tab. Oh no, it's got different runs of it. Wow, that's sick. You can have different versions of the same agent running. You made a video to text today. Awesome. How does it work? Okay. Based on the overall, a code editor is essential for writing code. Here are a few probable code editors. Completed the code. Hmm. What about this one? Oh, sweet. These are the actual specifications. Okay. That's good. Okay, this run seems better. I might pause this run because it's no good. Alright, now this one's going to use the coding tool to write the code based on the specs that it's written above. Yo, thanks for the roses, Nick. Miles says it was a budget local version of speech to text, but baseline, I was going to tie it to whisper. The most important thing is you started, yes. Starting is like normally the hardest part. Okay, we have some code. Some Python code. Okay, even though I asked it to write it in HTML and JavaScript, they made Python code. Damn. Always some issues with this. I want to change the details to remove God mode. Is that possible? Like it is. Oh, we can save as template. Okay, that's cool. So now I can go new agent, Pong Gamer, and then remove the God mode. Let's see. I'm gonna run that one as well. Ahmed says, have you reached 1 in Dora? No, I'm like 20,000 still. Can I check? Okay, I'll try to check for you guys. Whoops, that's not it. What is it? Dora. It's our website, dora.run. Check spot. Sign up. Emails. Yeah, 23,000. Which is like, I mean, I got a lot of signups. I was on 40,000 before, so divide that by 100. We got like 400, 400? No, 40. 20. What's 40,000 divided by 100? 40,000. Yeah, 400. Wow. Wow, we got 400 signups. But still, that only got me 200 signups. It only got me 20,000 spots higher than what I started with, which wasn't enough. Complete. Okay, this one completed. What about this one? This one's still thinking. I might pause this one. How did this complete when I told it to not do anything in God mode? Makes no sense. Okay. So, I don't know. I might leave this here still. Like, this is a great idea, Super AGI, but none of these, like, coding bots seem to have been able to make anything successful yet, unfortunately. So, we'll just leave that for now. What do we have next? iDomu.ai. What is this? Can't remember. iDomu. Is this rendering correctly for you guys? Yes. Oh, it's a video creator. Create a new video in seconds. Let's see. Nick says, I think you need GPT-4 access. Yeah, definitely. I think I'm limited because I don't have a GPT-4 API key, so my agents are not very smart. Unfortunately. Okay. Simply share your ideas in the chat box. I will bring them to life. Here are some examples. A video promotion with 10% off. Make a video. Okay. Make a video for a software product that automatically creates timestamps for podcasts and long videos on YouTube. Make this bigger for you guys. Make a video for a software product that automatically creates timestamps and podcasts for long videos on YouTube. So this is a product I have. If I can make a ad for it, a video ad, that'd be really cool. Oh, I should have mentioned my website name. Oh well, let's just look at what it does. Time saver, it's called it. I've got that song stuck in my head. What's it called? Makeba. It's been trending on TikTok. Wow, that was fast. They look kind of shit though. Maybe this one.
Are you tired of scrolling through long podcasts and videos to find the content you need?
That's
Our
pretty
software
good.
automatically creates timestamps for your podcasts and videos, making navigation a breeze. Simply upload your podcast or video to TimeSaver and let our software do the rest. Our software uses advanced algorithms to analyze the content and create accurate timestamps. Viewers can easily navigate to the content they need by clicking on the timestamp.
Let's see if we can edit it. Does it suggest us to edit it? The website is called Timestamp Genius. It works by pasting in a YouTube URL. I wonder if I do that, it will change the video. Yeah, sick. Dude, that's actually really good. I'm really happy with that. I wonder if I can edit it to actually like include my branding as well. That would be really cool. I might try that in a second. Lucas AI video creator. Interesting. No, this looks different. All right, let's try this one. It's always this one that I like, the bottom left one.
Are you tired of manually creating timestamps for your videos? Introducing Timestamp Genius, the solution to your problem. With Timestamp Genius, you can easily create timestamps for your podcasts and long videos on YouTube. Simply paste in the URL and let our software do the work for you. Our software automatically generates timestamps for your videos, saving you time and effort. No more manual work required. Make it easier for your viewers to navigate and find the content they need. Timestamps created by Timestamp Genius allow your viewers to jump to specific parts of your video with ease.
Pretty good. Let's see what their editor looks like. Oh, you can change the narrator.
Introducing Lucas, iWriter.com AI video.
Introducing Lucas.
Introducing Lucas, iWriter.com.
Introducing Lucas, iWriter.com AI video creator.
Introducing Lucas, iWriter.com.
I think Jenny definitely sounds the best. Oh, you can change the narration and the media. That is really cool. What about the no, you can't change the logos. But that is really cool. Wait, there's a button URL at the end? How does that work? Click here. What? What? I don't know, like what? You can't click a button on a HTML, but I mean on a video file, but that's very cool. This is something that I maybe would use. I feel like this kind of auto-generated stuff is like less genuine and probably doesn't work as good as like if I was just to talk. but still pretty good. I definitely rate it. I think a lot of people would find use in this. That's idomu.ai or Lucas AI Video Creator. The website is idomu.ai, but the product is called Lucas from iDomu. Very cool. Very cool. Do they have other products? No, that's just it. Wait, oh. Yeah. Okay, what's next? Recraft AI. Oh yeah, this one looks cool. I've always been looking for something like this, like something that you can create custom, royalty-free, like vector icons and images. Prompt to vector. Recraft AI. Okay. Let's give it a go. Nick says you should create one of those lists where you can rank every AI you have tested. Yes. Oh, that's a great idea, Nick. I wish I started that ages ago. I saw some other TikTok creator do that. The AI tier list. That's a good idea. I'm going to put that on my to-do list. Here. AI tier list. AI product tier list. Great idea, Nick. Nick, you're full of great ideas. Hello, welcome to Recraft. You can generate vector images and we present you. Okay. Let's have a quick tour. This is their, looks like Figma, but they have a prompt input here and you can select the color palette. Awesome. Wow, and it takes you straight in. This is a great UI. Okay. What I want to create is a logo. Look at my product timestamp genius. We have a logo here. Let me sign out. It's a bit bigger on the main page. This. It's like a speech bubble brain thing. Wow, why is that font like that? I swear the font is not meant to be like that. Looks so weird. I want to see if I can recreate that. Want an icon? Yes. Speech bubble that also looks like a brain. Oh, you can upload a style image? We'll try that later. Let's just do just the prompt. Let's see what it comes up with. Get rid of these. Okay, it's generating. So my inspiration, which is actually kind of how I stole the logo, is got it from Dribble. I'll show you. Sign it like that. That looks terrible. That looks terrible. All right, we can try again. Let me upload my how do I see my saved stuff? See my saved stuff. Collections. Like shots. Here, this is it. This is the inspiration. Let's see, add palette. No, upload style image. Yes, okay. Speech. Okay, let's just see what it does with this. Well, where is it going to generate this? Where that went. Last time we got a... There we go. We got a little rectangle. Oh, there we go. That's still quite bad. Maybe my prompt is bad. It's also bad. Oh, there's different options here. Let's just do a speech bubble. 3D speech bubble. What about that? These color gradient. camera angle, isometric, level of detail, low, geometry, primitive, fill type, outline, stroke style, normal, stroke weight, bold. No background or border. Let's see. So far, I'm not really happy with any of these. Feels like the only thing it got from the sample image is the color, which is fine. No issues there. Yeah, these. Yo, Tudor on LinkedIn. Thanks for dropping a comment. I do be hustling. I'm grinding on these streams, man. Grinding on this content creation. I want to be a verified Kick streamer. I don't know if that's how possible that is, but we just gotta keep grinding. Just gotta keep grinding, doing stuff. Okay, well that was Recraft AI. I don't really have. Should we do something else? Should we? Oh, vector art. Let's try a 3D speech bubble in vector art style. It looks the same. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like Midjourney would just be better. But I guess then again, also my prompt isn't great. Try plastic 3D. I should also remove this. Alright, we'll let these two render and then we'll try the next thing. I have high hopes for this one. Gwen says maybe add in a shape of a brain. Oh, that's a good idea. That one looks pretty cool. In a shape of a brain. Thanks for the idea, Wens. Nick says, have you figured out the paid on Kick yet? Yeah, I made a little video that shows it. There's like a path to affiliate. Oh, this is cool. That's actually, oh, so cool. Yo, Wens with the prompt engineering. Let me see if we can change the palette and make another one. I do like this plastic 3D. It's very cool. Twitter says, that's awesome to see, man. Keep at it. What are you trying to do now? Mostly what I do on my streams is just test AI products. But I don't know if you heard, Tudor. I'll show you quickly. I made this SaaS. I made my very first SaaS the other day, software as a service called Timestamp Genius. It creates YouTube timestamps with AI. And I'll give you a little demo quickly. So let's open up a YouTube video. So I'll use my last stream as an example. What it does is it takes like long videos, like podcasts or streams, and it creates these timestamps. So all of these timestamps were created with my tool. Works really simply. You just copy the URL, you paste it in the app, and it should generate these timestamps for you. See? Testing the stream on Kick. So yeah, Nick asks, have you figured out how to do the paid on Kick? Yes, if I bring back that thing, and you can see testing out kick.com. I'm back in my... Where did I... No, I did it later. Is there another thing for Kick? No. Anyway, I figured out you need 75 followers to be eligible to get subscribers. And then you need like a certain amount of subscribers to be eligible to get paid, because they eventually pay you hourly and give you all the donations, which is awesome. but initially you have to get enough followers. So if you guys can please help me out by following me on kick.com/techfriend, that would be a great help for me. I only have 3 followers for now, but yeah, if you guys can follow me there, I would really appreciate it. It will help me do more streams, but I'll be doing more streams anyway. So if you don't want to follow, that's fine. That's completely fine. I'm gonna be generating more brains. More of these brain speech bubbles. This one's cool. Dude, this is fun. I want to keep generating this. I also want to try if I use the same prompt with the icon, will it be better now? Let's try colored shapes. Oh, that red thing is pretty much it. What? Modify current image. Single object only. See if that works. Oh, this is kind of close. Oh, damn it. I put it on the wrong type. No. 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 No, wait, go back to the original. Stop. No. Okay, good. I saved this one. I don't know what the similarity. Oh, 10 is very similar. Okay, interesting. Michael says, how's your SaaS going? Are you building a new one or iterating for now? Yeah, I'm just going to be building on top of this. It's going very slowly. Like, I haven't put much effort into marketing it. I'm just slowly iterating on it. I got my first sale the other day, so you can buy credits. And someone actually bought the biggest package of credits, 3,000 credits for $20 yesterday. My first customer. So I'm very happy about that. It shows some validation that people actually like this tool. But it's still very early days. I think there's a lot more I can do to extend it. So we will be working on it more. Thank you for asking, Michael. Whoa, that's cool. I really like this tool. Let me copy this and recraft that. Dude, this is cool. I don't know how the person came about, but I also don't know if I'd use this. Wow. I really like the plastic 3D logo. Nikas, what else do you plan on adding? So some things that I want to add are like title generation from the video. I think that'll be cool. Another thing is to save the previous generations that were created. I want to add Google Analytics so I know where users are coming from. I have a whole list I can show you guys. Just like, yeah, I need a privacy policy. I want to use, so I'm using DaVinci model right now instead of GPT-3, and it's about like 10 times more expensive. So if I can migrate to GPT 3.5 Turbo, I'll actually be saving 10 times as much money. So that's pretty good. And yeah, I want to do a free trial based on IP. I think that'll be awesome. So like, I know some websites you can actually have a demo without signing up. I know some people, that's a bit of friction, you know, people not being able to try it without signing up. If I can like limit it based on IP or something, that would be awesome. So they can just like try the web app without having to sign up. And then like some parameters for changing like chunk size of like how often the timestamps should be generated, stuff like that. Those are the ideas I have. Yeah, so that was Recraft AI. I really liked that actually. At the start, I was a bit skeptical, but I guess it really depends on the prompts you write. Okay, what's this? This looks like an article. Swift Ed. OpenAI alumni is building a robot butler for your home. Prosper Robotics has built a robot that can do cleaning, the dishes, and the laundry. Wow, I'd love to have a robot that does all those mundane tasks. The Jetsons-style future is closer than ever. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a humanoid thing. Science fiction has been promising us robot butlers for decades. We're still waiting. Now an alumni of OpenAI has actually built one. Runs on wheels. It has hands. It will come with a box of 50 to 100 tools. Things like suction cups for removing tricky Tupperware lids and specialized mops. It's not without safety hazards. Meal prep, food hygiene, knives. Oh, here's a little demo of a time lapse of it. Whoa, look at that. It's putting the dishes into the dishwasher. Rinsing them and putting them in the dishwasher. Wow, guys. I can't wait till we have these. It would be like, this looks like a very expensive robot though. This looks like it would be at least like $15,000 or something. Which isn't too bad. But if you think about it, like if you hire well, it depends where you are, but in some places you could probably hire a maid and it'd be cheaper for some period. Eventually it would pay itself off, but you also got to consider maintenance, energy usage. Nick says, have you thought about making a course or online lesson? Not seriously. I don't think I can teach anything that doesn't already exist. And there's also like a bit of stigma for like course makers, so I haven't really taken it seriously. I'd rather just spend my effort on like a SaaS or, you know, content creation, but I could be wrong. I'm definitely willing to be persuaded. I've definitely had people in the chat being like, hey, can you teach me programming? I'd pay you. And I'm like, there's so many people teaching programming. Like, I don't know why. Is it my style that's better? I don't know. You should check out Hacksmith's latest video. They built a cool AI that can control robots. It's basically Jarvis. Okay, we can check that out after this article. Is there any more videos? This is a prototype. Okay, let's check out Hacksmith. Jarvis from Iron Man.
To fulfill James' dream of becoming Iron Man. But there's something missing. Step 1 was James gets kidnapped, so that's not it. Step 2 was we build the ultimate engineering workbench. And step 3 must be stuff. Hey Smithy, tell me who won the 1925 World Series. Pittsburgh Pirates won the 1925 World Series, defeating the Washington. Here's the plan. A certain pizza chain has a publicly accessible API for placing orders. When we tell Smithy to place an order for a pizza, it needs to register our address, find a nearby franchise, download their menu, send that to ChatGPT, create our order, place the order, and kablam, profit. It's pretty cool, but it's actually simpler than it looks. It's a bunch of arcs getting drawn, swirling around, and then a color map is applied. They get bigger when Smithy talks, and the color map changes when it's thinking, listening, or speaking. Smithy is going to live in here, in here, in here, and he even lives in our community Discord, where you can interact. We've got him built into the whole building with Smithy. But is he actually practical? Can he help us build something? Can he even help James escape? We have to find out. So let's build something with him. Hey Smithy, what fuel did we use in the Mandalorian flamethrower?
The fuel used is a combination of propane and cornstarch.
Smithy, how much horsepower did the Mario Kart build have?
1 horsepower for each cart.
Smithy, get Husky to go retrieve one of the Mario Karts from the shed.
It will safely transport the Mario Kart to its destination.
That's pretty cool.
Oh. With Smithy's help, I could build this awesome attachment for our go-kart. And if it works, it should be enough for James to bust out of prison. Wait, which one's the brake? Did you guys
All right. What do we have next? iWriter.fi. iWriter.fi. The ultimate content creation tool. Generate text and images with the power of GPT-4. Text generation, image generation, coding generation. Make money with the referral program. Doesn't seem like anything unique. I might just skip this. Oh, this is a little clip from Lex Friedman and George Hotz that I wanted to show you guys, where George
The
said
problem
LLMs
is if you
are
go back to
overhyped.
1960 and you tell them that you have a machine that can play amazing chess, of course someone in 1960 will tell you that machine is intelligent. Someone in 2010 won't. What's changed, right? Today, we think that these machines that have language are intelligent, but I think in 20 years, we're going to be like, yeah, but can it reproduce? The problem is if you go back to
What do
19...
you guys think about that?
Of course someone in...
So George thinks like the LLMs are overhyped, and like the real magnificent thing that we see in nature is like the robustness, ability to reproduce and like repair. Like even ants can like repair, like at a cellular level. It's pretty cool. Nick agrees and also disagrees. Yeah, obviously it's a very like blanket term. I think LLMs are just like really awesome in their capability, and it's obvious that they're even going to get better. And George says that in a lot of ways, but yeah, he has a good point as well about the chess thing, and like how people thought machines were like intelligent, obviously, and thought that the future was going to be so magnificent and like robot butlers back in the like 80s, right? Like Jetsons and all that. And we still don't have robot butlers, and we're still hyping that stuff up. So I mean, maybe we just offset it about like 30 years, but it seems like it's going exponential. But I guess it was seeming like that in the 80s as well. So I don't know. It's interesting. Okay, what's next? AI product tier list. Okay. We made it. We made it to the tier list. Okay, how am I gonna do this? So what I've done is I've taken all these tickets and I've moved them to archive tickets. So I think if I go into archive tickets, I should have a list of everything. No, this isn't it. Archive ticket. This is it. Okay. Right? Not everything, but it is a list. What are these tier list creators? I've never made a tier list before, so this will be fun. I feel like it's so unfair because a lot of these products are so early and like they haven't reached their full potential yet. How do you just create a new tier list? What the hell? Custom tier list. Tier list maker. Wait, should we see if they have an AI tier list already? AI. No. What about artificial intelligence? Okay, artificial flavors. No, they don't. 113? What's that? Name of template. AI tools. Select a category. You need a description or a cover photo or images. Or that you must be logged in. 113 roses. Oh shit. That's a lot, Nick. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. And then 61 more? Damn, you must be balling. Thank you so much, Nick. Guess we gotta do that again. AI tier list. Technology. Submit. Did it work? You must upload. Oh, you gotta do images? Nah, dude. Screw that. Where's it? Let's find another one. Tier list creator. Oh, we could just use Canva, I guess. Why not? It's cute. Alright, we're gonna use Canva to create the tier list. Like this? Wait, hold on. Oh shit. Let's see which one's cool looking. So many options, I can barely read them. What does this do? Love, live, neutral, dislike. I feel like all of them. Okay, this is fine, right? Let's have a look at the other ones. No, that looks shit. This one was good. This is fine. Okay, sweet. AI tools. Which one do we want? Do we want S to F or do we want love, like, neutral? Let's do S to F. AI tools tier list. Michael says I have a project management SaaS, but feel like it'll never be bought over Jira or Trello. Well, you gotta have your reason that people will like it over Trello or Jira, right? Like Jira existed before Trello. Notion didn't exist for a while, and I'm using Notion over Jira and Trello. As long as you have like a reason or a differentiating factor why you're better or someone should choose you over those tools, you can definitely survive. You just gotta find that reason. Okay. Bright data, that's not really AI. Building YouTube. Bright. e2b. This one we actually didn't even get to use. So I can't really use that. AI agent.app. Which one was this? Oh, this one? This was okay. This has good potential. I feel like all of these are in this gonna be in the same tier. I'm gonna put this mid tier. How do we do this? Oh, can we take a picture and paste it? Does this work? Oh, it does. Sweet. Okay, I'll do it like that. AI agent, because I feel like pictures are more cool than images, than text. AI agent, I'll give it a C tier. It had cool promise, but it's the same problem I have with all of the agents. It's probably because I'm using GPT-3. They don't really give a result. It's all just like promising a good result, but like never actually making anything working. Wavtool.com, that one was pretty cool. I like Wavtool. I might give that a B tier. Actually, then again, it was quite basic as well. Alright, it's probably C tier, let's be honest. Go C tier. I'm gonna run out of space here. I might need to make these smaller. Make these smaller and then make this bigger. Yep. Agree, C or B. Yeah. Auto encoding. Dora AI. Okay. See, this one's hard. Dora AI, it's like it promises the world, but obviously it's not even, I didn't even get to use it. So I'm not even gonna put it on because they didn't even let me use it. I'm gonna change this to working AI tools. Or current AI tools tier list. Current working AI tools tier list. Move this image, I don't like it. Small developer, did we end up using this? I don't think I actually ended up using this, so I can't give it an honest review. Did I use it? I don't think so. I just looked at the demos. Oh, you can deploy agent with e2b? Yo! Hold on, let me try this. I don't know, is small developer like you can run it on the cloud now? Get your own AI developer that's powered by small developer AI agent. You specify the instructions and let the small developer do the work. I'm gonna try this out, guys. Deploy small developer. Okay, create a new repository. We need permissions. Okay, that's fine. Have my permission. Okay, I'm gonna create it. I'm gonna create a new repository for it. I don't feel safe giving it permissions to my whole thing. E2b test. Make it public. B test. Oh, gotta verify. 1 second. Actually, if I do this, yeah, okay, yeah. Just give me a sec. I need to verify this GitHub thing. E2b test. Yes. Okay. Create a website using Next.js. Yeah, let's just do something really simple. Create. I want something working. Just so I want to give this a good review. I want to do the same test that almost worked with GPT Engineer. Create a website using Next.js as a button in the middle of the page that when clicked toggles the background color from red and white. Deploy on E2b. Awesome, let's try this out. This looks cool. Yes, I saw E2b a while ago, but it wasn't public yet, but it looks like it's public now. And it hasn't even asked for my OpenAI API key, so it could actually use GPT-4, which is very exciting. It's cloned the repository. It's called OpenAI with the prompt. Very cool stuff. Can we check it out? Oh, this is the prompt. You're an AI developer who's trying to write a program and generate code. Give an intent, complete the thing. Here's the content. Now it's done a new prompt. The app is this. The files we have decided to generate are this. Okay, that's not Next.js, but that's fine. Oh no, it is. Oh shit. Okay. Saved file. Toggle button. Wow, this is an actual React file. Okay, great. Saved another file. What file is this? Home. Okay, this looks really good. Oh, it's finished. It's pushed it to the repository. Wow. All right, let's have a look at the repository. there's only a README file. Oh no, there's another branch. This branch. Website. Okay. Okay. Okay, is that it? So this is finished. Okay, so let's give this a go. Can I just download this? Or do I have to clone it? Hold on. Hold the phone. Might have to clone it. That's fine. I will clone it. Git clone. Okay, git check out. What was the branch code? Why is it called such a weird branch? PR/small dev/ Oh, because it makes a pull request. Okay. Oh, that's really cool. That's actually the best. That's actually what you want. You don't want it to push directly to main. You want it to make a pull request. And then you can review the pull request, see what files it's changed. Awesome. Very simple. Very simple. I wonder if it'll work. I wish these things had alright, I'm gonna merge a pull request. I wish they had, what's it called? Like a way to give feedback. But it doesn't look like this one does. It's more like a boilerplate thing as well. Yeah, it's just like a boilerplate, like there's no way to run this. I see it into website, but I can't go npm run start. Like they haven't initialized the npm files. I can't go yarn. They haven't initialized any. You know what I mean? Like it's just boilerplate code. Unfortunately. But this is very cool. I want to give it another test. I want to give it another test. I want to say do the same thing but without Next.js. Pretty much. Can I do that? Can I do that? Make a website, make a static web file that has a button in the middle of the screen that toggles the background color from red to white. Let's try that again. I wonder what it'll do with the existing files as well. Whether it reads the repository as well. I don't know. We'll see. It was pretty fast last time, so but so far it's really interesting if it can read the repository. I don't think it does, but in the future it would be able to. That way, if it can actually modify an existing repository, that would be amazing. And make a pull request modifying files. That is super useful. That is, and it's open source, so we could definitely get it to do that. Okay, it's finished. Let's have a look at the pull requests. Build a static web file. It's made 7 files. Oh, it's removed all the other Next.js stuff, which is fine by me. And it's actually created this static file. Excellent. Wait, did I merge it? No, I just reviewed it. Whoops. Can I merge, please? Merge pull request. Okay. I've merged it. Now I can git pull and deletion. failed. Oh, it's because I'm in the folder. Okay. And now let's try open this index.html. Will it work? Nope, it's just a blank file again. Why? I feel like the git pull didn't work. Oh, yeah, it didn't pull properly. Hold on. Delete everything. Wait, why didn't it git reset work? Git diff. Git reset hard? No? It thinks I have a change with the index. Please move. I'm gonna remove this index file. Okay, excellent. Yes, sweet. Now we have the script and the index file. Wow, look, we have a red background and a button. Moment of truth again. I'm gonna press the button. Will it work? Yes! Yo, okay. Small dev S tier confirmed. That is awesome. I'm really happy with that. Small dev or e2b. I don't know. I feel like they're the same kind of. They have an alliance at least. e2b.dev. e2b.dev. We launched small developer on e2b. Dude, this is S tier. e2b. It's S tier for one reason for most people is it gives you GPT-4 for free, probably. The code, like GPT-4, it reads your repo. Well, I don't think it reads your repo actually, but it submits a pull request. S or A tier. I'm gonna put it in S tier. I might move it later, but that really impressed me. So yeah. E2B, S tier. Good shit, E2B. And they're just gonna keep getting better for sure. I reckon they'll definitely have the ability to modify a repository in the future. It just seems like such an obvious thing. So yeah, really impressed by that. Yeah, it's E2B. Okay, what's next? Skipit.ai. Skipit's really good. So Skipit is something that you can use to close all this to like give you a summary, and it takes like videos, PDFs, websites, articles, and gives you a summary of the whole thing. It's really cool. I'll definitely give it like at least a B tier. Let's see, what are the options again? B or A? It's at least B. B or A? I'm gonna go A tier because it can do PDFs and YouTube as well. So it's like, yeah, it's a good tool. Definitely A tier. You reckon C or B? Have you used it? Like, it's not amazing, but it actually delivers on what it promises. That's why I rate it so highly. Whereas with AI Agent and WebTool, it's like they promise a bit more than they actually deliver. So that's why, like, I definitely wouldn't give them a B. Whereas Skipit, does what it says it does pretty well. So yeah. Lingo Talk. I really like. Lingo Talk is a web app where you can learn languages using AI. You can chat to people. You chat to these AI bots, and there's also lessons, drills, and many different cool ways that you can learn a language. I definitely give this an A tier as well. I'm gonna take that screenshot again. Too much white space. What's next? UI design .ai. I don't think this actually ended up working for me. Let's check it again. This is cool. So I get to check some apps that I've tried to use before that didn't work. Yeah, this is on a wait list. So, but also says download Figma plugin. That mean it works? Let's try this out. I don't know. Plugin. Did it work? Hold on. Try it out. Okay. Well, what did I do? Do all this. All right, let's try this one more time. Okay, run. Here. Oh, sweet. Oh, you need a security code. Come on. Get code. Get Figma access code. Oh, you gotta pay $10 a month. I'm sorry. I'm not ready to do that. That's probably why I don't remember using it, cause I didn't. Okay, what's next? Crisp AI. Yes, I really like Crisp AI. I'll probably give that an A tier as well. Yeah, Crisp AI can live make your mic quality better, removes background noise. It also can provide transcripts of like meetings and stuff, or just your podcast. It can separate between different speakers. I feel like I might need to balance this out. I feel like I'm only doing like 2 tiers. But I don't feel like justice giving these B tier. I feel like these are like good, like A tier good. Like for what they do, there's nothing that really compares to Crisp AI, Lingo Talk. Maybe there's stuff that compares to Skipit, but I haven't used it. Do the Thing AI. I haven't actually used this one yet. Should we try it? Might as well try it. Someone actually wanted me to try this one, so let's try it. So Do the Thing AI, it lets you deploy an agent that can act as like a software engineer. And look, this one actually gets them to deploy stuff. So I don't know how this works, and I was a bit skeptical. That's like one of the reasons why I didn't try it. So, but here we are. Let's try it. I can try it. I could be harsh. We can give our first D tier. We can give our first, if it's a D tier. AI assistant, App Store, drag and drop, GPT for all day. Excellent. What do I want to do? What are some examples? Achieve Spanish conversation. Start my first business. Boost engagement. Fire messages. Can it do coding? Can it like integrate Google Analytics into my website? I doubt it'll be able to do this. But let's just see. Let's see what it does. I don't know what kind of like realistic stuff I could give it. A new tab while that one. Oh man. First you need to have a Google Analytics account. If you don't have one, after you set up your account, you do this, do this, do this, do this. Okay, this is pretty much just like ChatGPT, but when it can actually do the stuff. It's called do the thing, not tell me how to do the thing. Oh, I'm keen to give this a D tier, guys. I'm keen to give this a D tier. I'm gonna literally tell it to do it after it gives me this message. All right, let's just try one of their examples. None of these are do the thing, like, oh, develop and deploy a SaaS application in React. Let's get it to deploy a SaaS. All right, let's just get it. Let's just do their example. Deploy the SaaS application. See what it does. And then for here, I'll just be like, do it. And see what that does. Sorry for the confusion, but as an AI text model, I can't do shit. But you can't do the thing. Why can't you do the thing? Okay. This one says it can deploy. Do it. 4 weeks? It takes 4 weeks for it to do this thing? How do you even get it to start? It just has a plan. Start. It's just gonna tell me to do the thing. Alright, this is definitely getting a D tier, guys. I knew it. This is why I didn't sign up. When something like promises to be too good to be true, you can tell. You can tell that it belongs in D tier. Get your ass in D tier, boy. Okay. They need to be more reasonable. Give like an actual, like, you know, like an actual explanation of what to expect. Literally, look at their website. This is, I don't know, sorry, I'm going on a rant here, but they just like, they're like, look at this. I want to create this. Okay, I'm creating those now. I've created these instances on Postgres and they're accessible here. Like, what? No. And then this one says it's handled Slack TMs. I don't know. Maybe you can do that. That seems reasonable. Like, you can connect it to apps. Oh, actually, maybe I'm too harsh. We haven't connected it to any of the apps. Let's give it one more go. How do we connect these apps? Files? Coming soon. Yeah, no, this is bullshit. They just promise shit that it can't do. It belongs in D tier. Oh, apps. Here we go. Apps. Okay, sweet. Look, here we go. Azure. That can be used to deploy stuff. Versal. That can be used to do. Okay, let's do Versal. Integration coming soon. Yeah. Okay, so it only has Monday. It belongs in D tier. What's next? ChatGPT plugins. I don't think that's like one tool, so Stashpad, I haven't done that. Stayed mobile app. That was I didn't really use that properly. Finaki text to video. I don't remember what that one was. Oh, that was, yeah, they didn't have a demo. Gamma.app. Oh, Gamma.app's pretty good. That's a B tier. That's a B tier for sure. Yeah, where's their logo? Where's their homepage? They don't really have a homepage once you're signed in. Hey. Gamma.app. So you just go incognito and then you can see their homepage. So Gamma's the one that you can make presentations. They look pretty good, but it's... Oh, fuck, I'm like tempted to give it an A tier, but I feel like we need something in B tier. King Nick asks, what's e2b? So e2b is... they just released this thing with small devs that you can... It's like an agent that actually writes code for you and can like... Yeah, writes code. I don't know if you've seen my page. I've reviewed many other products that promise this. Like just the other day I did GPT engineer, which promised this, but like I never actually got anything working. And I think the main reason for that is because of my API key. I can only use GPT 3.5. But with e2b, they actually don't even need your API key for free. They use GPT-4 in the backend and they write the code with GPT-4. And I was actually able to make a successful website off a prompt using their agent. I'll make a video on it eventually, but yeah, it was super good. So it's S tier for me. It blew me away. Yeah, crazy. I know. I was really impressed with it. Framer.com? That one was pretty cool. So Framer makes websites. I'll probably give that a B tier. We went prompt to website with Framer the other day. It's probably B tier. Let me get a photo of it. Framer. Bardeen. I'd say Bardeen is it's borderline B and C. Honestly, I feel like moving these down. I feel like Bardeen needs to be C. And these are kind of D. Actually, I feel bad for AI Agent. They promised a lot that wasn't ready yet. I don't know if they have released their thing they promised. This one. This like kind of drag stuff wasn't working before. But oh shit, it might be working now. Hold on, let me quickly look at their website. Blah blah blah. How does it work? Breakdown, CrystalClear code, change log, testimonials, call to action. No, it still isn't. Oh, coming soon. Yeah, no, okay. Yeah, it was still kind of meh. Bardeen, it was pretty nicely a nice way to set up a kind of scraper, so I think that's a good C tier. But like it wasn't like impressive with the AI. But yeah, that's why I'm giving it a C. Like it's a good tool, but the AI aspect of it wasn't amazing. Like I wasn't really able to do much with a prompt. But I think it's gonna be there. What are these tiers depicting? Like how impressed I was by these AI tools, I guess. These icons don't really mean shit. I guess we could remove them. More space for more tools in the future, potentially. Page 2, no thank you. Okay. Got it. Why S? I can understand. When it's just like a general convention for tier lists. I don't know. I feel like it's something to do with Japanese, but S is like super tier. It's like above A. It's like special or something. Let's Google it for you. S tier is special or super. It's from the Japanese word exemplary. Yeah. It's just like it's super. It's like above A. It's like special. No. Feel free to ask any questions, guys. I appreciate it. Don't be sorry, Tiggy. GPT engineer. So I kind of want to give this above a D. I think I want to give this a C just because it's open source. So it's like, you know, it's less like I don't know, how do I explain this? Like when you have a product sold to you that's closed source and it underperforms, it leaves you with a worse feeling than if it's open source and it underperforms. If that makes sense. That's why, like, if GPT engineer was, it's very similar to like AI agent, right? They both promise very similar things. But because GPT engineer is open source, I'm like a bit easier on it. It's like more impressive, I guess. Zapier, I don't feel right commenting on that because I haven't really used it properly. iWriter.5. Did we just test that? I can't even remember what that was. Oh no, we didn't end up testing it. Recraft AI. That one actually really impressed me. I might put that in A tier as well. I liked it. Recraft AI helps you create vector images and 3D images. And they have a really nice tool, like being able to, you know, modify and extend, change the color palette. And it was all for free, which is very good. I really like that aspect of it. Let me take that screenshot again. There's some weird blackness. So yeah, Recraft AI, A tier, leaves us with iDemo AI. I think this is the video creation one. This one was very good. I'll probably give that, oh, I'll put that in B, A tier. This one's probably like B tier, B, C. Yeah, B. I think B is reasonable for it. Super AGI? Which one was this? Oh yeah, this one. This is like similar to AI agent. It's like slightly better. Tempted to put it in B tier. They did have a cloud, but they still made me use my own API key. I really like their user interface. Oh, it's open source? Okay, if it's open source, I'll probably put it in, yeah, I'll put it in C tier. B tier. Same reason GPT engineer is there. It's very similar. In fact, it's like more, it's probably better than GPT engineer, to be honest, for an end user. Forge AI, which one was this? I feel like we did this just today. Oh yeah, this one was awesome. This is definitely like at least B tier. I wish they had a better logo with their name in it. Really? This is, I want to give this A tier. I was really impressed by it. I'll add the text as well, so. The Forge AI. That was their URL, right? Theforgeai.com. The Forge AI.com. So it's orange. Now it needs to be red. Red. Okay. What do we have left? That's it. Okay, this is my end tier list. John Power says e2b is awesome. It's building me Django website right now for a portfolio I can use to land jobs. Awesome. Yep, there's a reason e2b is S tier. So these are the end tier list that I have from what I had in this list. I think I'm definitely missing some tools that I've tried, but this is probably the bulk of it. So how can I share this list? Share. People with access can edit. Only you can. Anyone with the link can access. Excellent. I'll put this in my link tree. Discord? Yeah, I could put it in my Discord too, for sure. AI tools tier list. AI tools tier list. Oh, whoops. Add. AI tools tier list. Okay. Should we add an icon? Thumbnail. Choose from list. Should I remove the Dora AI referral link or leave it there? Probably leave it there. I'll probably just move the tier list like here. Discord. Cool. All right. No worries, John Power. That's that. Did I have anything else? Ooh, we have probably John Power in the chat. You can just view that, right? You don't have, you can't, let me check, make sure that you can't edit it. What? You can edit it? Ah, what? No. No. That? Oh, anyone with link can view. Okay. Or can comment. Why not? Let's try that again. Incognito. Yeah. Awesome, guys. If you have any more tools you want me to check out, please feel free to message me on Discord or TikTok or whatever. Yeah, I just turned off the editing. Didn't want people, you know, messing with the results. But yeah, it's the final current working AI tools tier list. I don't think I had anything else on my stream to do. Oh, Perplexity AI? I kind of want to check that out. I feel like that will be at least B tier. I've heard really good things about it. Let's check that out. No worries, John. I also noticed that like I haven't put the full, like some of these don't have the like URL, but I think they'll be easy to find. You just Google the name and they should be, and you just match the logo. Okay. So Perplexity AI apparently helps you do research. So yeah, let me sign up with Google. Tech Fern. Tech Fern. Okay. So I want to do some research on Noopept. Noopept or some kind of drug. How to naturally. So I've been taking this drug or supplement. I feel like drug sounds like a bad word. Called NMN, which has like anti-aging properties because it boosts this thing called NAD in your body, and NAD helps your body essentially like recover and like live longer. So I want to see how to naturally boost NAD levels in the body. And I don't know what Copilot does. Or focus. Oh yeah, so you can pick a focus. And I want academic papers. So I want like actual science. Help me research this. Let's see what happens. I've turned on this Copilot thing, which I think will help me write a better prompt, I assume. We'll see. So it's searching Scholar. It's considering 31 sources. I think there's like better ways you can prompt this. But we'll just see what happens. Yeah, David Sinclair, definitely. That's who I actually was introduced to NMN by. So he takes 1 gram of NMN every day, which is quite a lot, and it's expensive. I typically try to do things naturally if I can. But yeah, so that's why I'm searching this. Like if there's a better way I can increase energy naturally. So they say exercise. Studies have shown that exercise can increase NAD levels in the body, and it gives you like sites, like actual, like so. Number 3. If we click 3, it'll give me a paper of actual science, academic paper of how cardiac function or exercise can increase NAD levels. So I previously thought that taking NMN was the only way to increase NAD, but you know, there's this way: fasting, exercise, nicotine riboside, which I think with NMN. Oh, it's like NMN's another one. Vitamin B3. Chicken, turkey, tuna, salmon, mushrooms. Type tryptophan. Yeah, so this is a cool way to do research. I haven't found a good way. Like there's other ways you can prompt it. Oh, we can go like, what is NAD and why is it important for the body? It's just like a very easier way to do research, and you can get it to actually use science, like quote scientific papers. No worries, John. Thanks for dropping by. Okay, so this is where Copilot came in. It's asking me like follow-up questions, which is cool. There's another question I have, which I probably should have asked before. So NAD is important for maintaining mitochondrial function, for energy production. How does taking NMN compare to exercise and caloric restriction in resulting levels of NAD in the body? That's a question I have. Like, do I have to take this drug, or is exercising enough for the resulting levels in NAD? Like, I don't want to read the whole scientific paper. Like, if Perplexity can figure this out for me, I'll be very impressed, and I'll give it an A tier. Otherwise, it's probably going to be B tier. I feel like there's more you can do with it, and I'm not utilizing it till its full potential. But we'll see what the answer is here. Based on the search results, there's limited research comparing NMN to exercise. However, studies have shown NMN can increase NAD. Exercise can increase NAD, and it can increase NAD. Proper anti-aging. It is important to note that the effects of NAD supplementation in humans must be much more subtle. It says limited research, and no research comparing them directly. I was wondering, okay, like if I have a look personally, we can compare the which one? The NMN results. See if we see levels. Did they give a number? Lower levels. No. Oh wait. Oh, here we go. 10 nanomoles per something to... Yeah, see, this is just too much like for me to figure out quickly, and I was hoping the Perplexity could do it fast. But I guess it's not that good. But it's still like pretty good for research. I'll give it a B tier. I feel like it does some stuff pretty well. Perplexity AI. All right. Approaching 2 hours. I think I'm gonna wrap up the stream here. I'll leave it on for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes if anyone has any questions about anything really, any of these tools, anything else. Feel free to jump in the chat and let me know. If you guys follow me on Kick, I would be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to get 70 followers on Kick, kick.com/techfriend. That will definitely motivate me to stream more. But yeah. Hope you guys are having a good day. And I will see you next stream, which will hopefully be not too long. But I don't know. We'll see. Peace.